I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul.
Today we got the JBL vibe being earbuds. Just a little something different from the AirPods and the Beats by Dre and all that other stuff. These right here, I got them for $50. That's what they're retailing for. And I was like, you know what, man? Might as well try them out because I lost my AirPod case. And sometimes, like my Beats by Dre, the overheads, I just don't feel like charging them. So I heard this was a good buy. So that's what we talking about today. Let's see what they all give you in this package. I mean, little pamphlet, little guide, little buyer's guide, man, you know. Then they also gave us extra tips. Extra tips for the fitting. And also it came with this USB-A to USB-C charger port. Let's talk about the key features. Now this bad boy get up to 32 hours. 32 hours of battery life. That's major. Also, it just need 10 minutes. 10 minutes on the charger, and that'll give you 2 hours of playtime. I think that might be my favorite feature out of all the features. And a nice deep bass on these boys too, I ain't gonna lie. I tested them out, I tried them out. You know, I listen to rap music, sometimes I listen to country music, but these boys right here, yeah, JBL, man, they really kept everybody in mind. So if you like outdoors, you work out, stuff like that, they made these water resistant and dust resistant. Let me say that again, I don't think y'all heard me. They made these water resistant and dust resistant. It's major, you know? That's major. Like for these to be $50, that's a come up. That's a come up, my dog. Another feature I like, the ambient technology feature. So like if you go out, you know, like to the gym or, you know, you ride like public transportation, whatever the case is, you somewhere that you kind of want to exist in the room, but also kind of want to listen to music. That's when the ambient feature comes into play because it still allows you to, you know, exist in that situation as far as hearing. That's a super cool feature. I like to talk on the phone. So me personally, I can talk on the phone and still be aware of what's going on outside me. So I like that feature very much, you know what I'm saying? And it's hands-free, super easy. The only thing I could say that I really may have to get used to is the fitting, you know? Never had earphones, you know, that thick, you know? But I think that's a personal dislike about it. I just don't like the fit, so I kind of have to like force it into my ear. And I was even looking at videos on how to like put these in your ear because I never had one of these before. I never had that type, you know? So yeah, if you got smaller ears like me, that's something to consider when buying these. I can't say that, but I think that's something that I will have to get used to because like I said, I haven't had any similar to this style. So technically, I want to put that out there. Yeah, if I could change anything, I'd probably make it like the first AirPods, like the ones that just fit in your ear. That's like the only kind, man. But other than that, I feel like they made some pretty decent headphones. I ain't gonna lie. $50, and I'm pretty sure you can get these cheaper on Amazon. This is a steal, you know? I like them. I only had them for like 24 hours now, but if I had to recommend these, I definitely recommend them. If I had to scale them, I'd probably put it on the scale of like an 8. But when I seen the price on these, I couldn't give it up. I had to just take advantage. So yeah, man, you know, these are the ones I'm rocking with for the next probably 30 days. I'm gonna try it out. And I might make a part 2, who knows?